We'll start with a Mustard R30 size 12 dry fly hook. This is the Elk and Hackle caddis fly. I'm going to attach our tying thread. I just want a hint of a body here. I'll remove that. And then we go back again. To back there. And then we need a little wax. Make a couple of turns. I need a little bunch of stacked elk rump. And I'll just tighten into that and go through and forward. The advantage of using long hair is that we can take all that now and trim that off. Then we just turn our vise upside down. This will keep the tying thread out of the way. And we'll trim all that off. Can even go a little bit shorter there. Good. And then we go back right into the wing base. This is a furnace hackle and we want to tie in just there, and we go forward again. Attach our hackle plier. And we can go forward to that, and then just tack that in. Take a whip finisher. Put one in just to tie it off. Then we can remove the hackle. And oops, not want that fibre there. A whip finish. There. Remove the tying thread. And that's the finished Elk and Hackle caddis fly. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.